Hi bestie, my name is Camila and welcome to my channel. You know those days when you are not feeling like getting ready, you're feeling a little bit tired, your hair is not fresh, but you still need to get ready and go somewhere. So today is that day. That's why I decided to do my all-time favorite makeup and slick bun, aka clean girl look. It's my all-time favorite. I just love it. It looks good, it looks cheap, and it's so easy. So yeah, let's get started. Few years ago I used to have short hair and I would wash my hair almost every day, and you know how people say it's not really healthy for your hair, and ever since I started growing them and actually taking care of it, and it's really hard for me because I just hate when my hair is messy, when my hair is not fresh, and sometimes I use dry shampoo, but I prefer doing this hairstyle. I'm starting off by brushing my hair, of course, and you will need some thick hair ties. My hair is thick and it's straight, and when I use other hair ties, they don't hold my hair at all. This hair tie is from Kitsch and it's so thick and it holds my hair all day. Next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this hair serum from Ordinary. I've been using it for 4 months now, but honestly I'm not seeing any results yet. Maybe I need some more time. I know that hair takes time to grow, so it's fine. I just use on my front area of my head right here. Also, you're supposed to use it every day, but I don't use it every day, obviously. Maybe that's why I'm not seeing big results. Honestly, I use it like 3 or 4 times per week. And what I like about it, you can put it on your hair before you go to sleep, and then next day in the morning, it's not gonna look oily and greasy. Your hair will absorb everything and you'll be good. Because that was my biggest concern when I got this thing. If it's gonna make my hair greasy, do I have to wash it after every use or not? But yeah, it will not make your hair greasy. Next thing, I'm gonna use this small comb brush to section my hair. It's pretty even, but I just like to make it as even as possible. It looks even to me. Now I'm gonna brush my hair again, and this time I'm gonna brush it to the back. That way I'm gonna see how it's gonna look like, and I'm just navigating my hair to the way that I want my bun to be, and it looks more flattering when I'm gonna do my actual bun. One of the main secrets of the sleek hairstyle is brushing. Brush, brush, brush. Another tip, when you're doing your ponytail, don't look down. I mean, like when you're looking in the mirror, don't look down, because that way you will not see how your face looks like with the sleek hairstyle. Obviously, during the process, I look down, I look at my whole head, but I try to look straight to the mirror so that way I can see my face better. Now I'm just gonna do ponytail and see if I like the placement of my hair, of the pony, and I like it that way. I'm gonna use these hair backs, and now I'm just gonna sleek my hair to the back, all of my baby hairs. Now I take off my hair tie, and I'm gonna be using this kind of brush. It's from this brand, and I'm just gonna brush and slick back all of my hair, and I'm kind of like shaping, if you know what I mean. And I'm doing the same thing with this side. And this is what we get. And now again I'm gonna take this back stick and go over it just one last time to pull it all together, just like that. And I'm taking this brush again and I'm doing final touches. And that's it. There are no baby hairs. We can keep it that way or we can make a bun. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna do bun. And for the bun, I'm just rolling my hair around my finger. And that's the final look. I already look so much better and put together, and now we will be doing our clean girl makeup. So first thing, I'm gonna be using this BB cream from Garnier. I don't know why it's not more popular, but I've been using it for a year now, and honestly I don't really see that people use it that much. I'm not sure why. Maybe there is something wrong with this product, but I just love it. It almost feels like a cream, and it has SPF 30. It does not keep give you full coverage, but on a daily basis, I think it's just perfect substitute for the foundation or concealer. It still covers your blemishes, but it doesn't make full coverage, doesn't have heavy texture, it's so light, and it's just great. I just love this product. Honestly, you can just keep it that way, you can go with your day, but I want to look a little bit better, so I'm gonna be using my concealer from NARS, Radiant Creamy Concealer in the number medium 1 custard. I'm almost running out of this concealer. I'm gonna be getting the same thing. The texture is so light. I'm gonna be using this brush from Real Techniques. Just blending in my face. Look at the difference. I didn't use that much product, but everything looks clean and it covered all of the redness. Since I'm doing this video and since I'm going somewhere, I'm gonna be doing just a little bit really light contouring. I'm gonna be using this Rare Beauty bronzer stick and color Happy Soul. Nothing crazy, just a little bit in these areas. I'm gonna be doing like small dots, and to blend it all out, I'm gonna be using this Real Techniques brush in number 200. Blend it to the top, not on your cheeks, because that way it's gonna look messy. Blend everything up, facing upwards. It's gonna lift your face a little bit. And the products that left on my brush, I'm just gonna put it on my jaw and my neck and on my nose. I love using this bronzer stick because it gives me that bronze and I don't look pale. Now I'm gonna be using this Rare Beauty blush in color Joy, my favorite color. And I'm putting just a little bit. You know how it goes with these blushes. If you put too much, it's gonna get crazy. And I'm using the same brush and blending it all out, letting it upwards. Beautiful. The same thing with this side. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder on my face, and I'll be using this Puff from e.l.f. and Charlotte Tilbury powder in color Fair, and I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye, basically on the areas where I put my concealer. Forehead, of course, in this area, on my chin, and I'm gonna keep it that way. Since we're clean girls, we need to clean out our brows, because you don't want to look greasy. Also, don't forget to clean your brow brush. When I use this clear gel, my brush gets so greasy. I clean it every time before I do my brows, and I noticed when I wash my brush and it's still a little bit wet, when the gel and the water mix together, it styles my brows a little bit better. This makes the perfect texture. By the way, this brush is from e.l.f. and this is the clear gel from e.l.f. Look at my brows. And just like that. Now I'm gonna use this eyelash curler. I'm gonna use my mascara, Maybelline Sky High. This one, the popular one, is actually pretty good. It's the first layer. It looks messy, I know, but it's totally fine. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to clean it all up. And I'm gonna be doing second layer. And with the rest of the product, I'm gonna put it on my lower lashes. Just let the mascara dry a little bit, leave it alone, and meanwhile I'm gonna put the lip balm. Now I'm just gonna wipe out my lips. Now I'm gonna put the lip balm again. We're gonna clean our mascara. Next thing, I'm gonna take a brush that I blended my concealer with, and I'm going over just to blend it all together again, because I just wiped it all out and it looks clean and nice. And next step is my lips. I'm using this water tint. I got it from Amazon. It's from a Korean brand called Etude. And after lip tint, I'm using either Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Gloss or Dior Lip Maximizer. And today I'm feeling like I want to use lip maximizers. And now I'm taking this Real Techniques brush in number 400 and my powder. And I'm gonna do last few touches. The last thing is setting spray. I'm using this NYX Bear With Me setting spray. And we finished. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed clean girl makeup and hairstyle tutorial. And if you did, please like this video and comment your thoughts and just let me know if you liked it or not. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow all of my social media platforms. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.